Welcome to TCTA. I am your principal, Regetta Branch, and we are so thrilled to have you here today. We can hardly wait.
All right, and this is
Hello,
This-
I'm Marie York. I'm your secretary at TCT. I hope to see you soon.
Yep, and here's the office, in case you've ever been in the office before. Probably not where you want to hang out. But anyway, we're going to take a walk through the school, and we will see you later. Thank you, ladies. Normally you would be entering that way, coming in from the buses. And this is what we like to call the first floor. We have an elevator. Now, you're not allowed to ride the elevator unless you have a doctor's excuse. And then the staircase, in case you have to go upstairs. This is the restroom. That's important. You may need to know where that is. So first stop on our left is going to be Mr. Johnson's room. And let's see if he's home. This is Mr. Johnson's room animation. Wait on him.
Hello,
All right, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I teach animation.
All right, what's your name again?
Mr. Johnson.
All right, he's in room A120. So if you want to come to animation, this is where you're coming. Good to see you, Mr. Johnson. Thank you, brother. And we're traveling down the hallway. This is Miss Winston's old room. It's kind of vacant right now. We're going up here. Now we're into plumbing. If you're going into the plumbing class, you will come. Open up. And Mr. Richards is evidently not home. So we will just kind of keep on traveling. Now we're across the hall from Mr. Richards. That was plumbing. This is Mr. Harper. Mr. Harper, say hello.
Hey, we're working. Yeah, can you come back to me?
All right, that's Mr. Harper's room. That is film. This is Miss Jamie's room. Obviously. And she teaches hospitality and tourism. And we're moving right along. There's the stairs. That's important. You may need those to get up top. And here is the fire floor, where you take public safety, emergency services, and in charge of fire. Here's Chief O'Neill.
What's up?
What's going on?
Another day in paradise.
Another day in paradise. And then this is Chief Leitner.
Yay!
Yay! So this is our classroom. And then that's also our boot room across the hallway. The lights didn't come on like they're supposed to. Y'all gonna love these automatic lights. This is our equipment room. And if we looked out back, bye, Chief. If we looked out back, our back exit, and the firehouse is over in the corner. All right, again, what I said, not allowed to ride this elevator, but I am. All students have to use the stairs, obviously. We have plenty of signs posted, 6 feet apart. At least you don't know how far 6 feet is. They kind of give you a little diagram there. Now, if you do have to ride the elevator, heads up. Takes a while. We'll be with you in a minute. There it goes. All right, we're all clear. Now we're going to go to the upper room. The upper floor, we like to call it, number 2. Once again, they're very adamant about these rules. Oh, don't forget that. See what the weight limit is. 40.
Second floor.
So, if you went up the staircase, that's where you'd have went up at. And then, Miss Barnes.
Hi, I'm Miss Barnes. I teach Foundations of Health Science and Therapeutic Services. I look forward to seeing you this year.
Yes, and here's a room number in case you forget what it is. We'll kind of peek into your room real quick. Ooh, that's nice. All right. Thank you, Miss Barnes. Have a great day.
You too.
Another thing that you may need to know where it is, the bathroom. There's another one up here too as well. There's Mr. Richards. He was hanging out up here.
What's up, guys?
Probably must have been a plumbing
You've already
issue.
seen my class, yeah.
Yeah, it must have
Can't
been a
wait to
plumbing
see-
issue. I'm sure it was.
Oh.
Yes, good joke.
Whoa,
And Mary T.
Social distancing, please.
Yes,
Social
always have our mask
distancing,
on.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'm Mary T. Long. I teach sports medicine, fundamentals, intermediate, and advanced. Come here real quick.
Real quick.
Come in here. There's my classroom.
All
so
right.
Glad to see you. I can't wait for you to come in my class. Love you.
Love you guys. We'll see you. Appreciate y'all's time. And we're moving down the hallway. Coming up on Miss Kennedy's room. Miss Kennedy teaches some of our engineering classes. Oh, that's not her. See, I don't even know where I'm going sometimes. It's the next one. And this is Miss Kennedy's room. In case you want to know where it is, she teaches our engineering style classes. There's her office in there. And we are moving this way. Now, cosmetology. They're going to be here on the right. That's if you have Miss Darling. She'll take care of you in there. And then across from her is Miss Wood's room. And Miss Wood's room's a kind of a computer lab setup. But she's in here. She'll be here shortly. And going from there. And we're going to Miss Johnson's room. Miss Johnson teaches education and training. Miss Johnson, would you like to say hello?
Hello.
You better put your mask on. Put your mask on. What's wrong with you?
Gotta put my mask on. Somebody's coming in the room.
That's right.
Hello,
This is
I'm
your-
Beth Ann Johnson. I teach education and training, and we are ready for students tomorrow.
All right. Well, thank you for having
Thank
us.
you.
This is her room, in case you hadn't seen it. And we're moving right along. And there's a stairwell that goes down next to fire science. And I will pick you guys up here shortly. All right, we're back at the office. That's where I left you originally. And we're heading towards where you would normally come in. Mr. McKinney, one of our head custodians here. This is Academy Hall. If you've ever get asked to come here to Academy Hall, it's kind of like an amphitheater seating. It's indoors, kind of locked right now. Amphitheater seating, but that's where you have to go. That's our open classroom. You'll pass this hallway often, and all the things that have to do with it out there. And then, of course, if we have any kind of disaster drill or meeting, we have to go to the event hall. And so this is our event hall. It's a very large room. I'll kind of let you know where everything is. I'm gonna open it up and let you look in here if I get the lights cut on. Oh, they changed the locks. All right, can't do that. And then fire partners. This one ain't up yet. We wasn't here this last semester, but we have fire partners from a year before that, and these are all the people that help sponsor our programs here at TCTA. And this is culinary. And so culinary, Miss Dr. King, this is her room. So if you like to cook or want to learn some cool recipes, this is kind of where you're going to end up, and help you with that. And then of course, that's where you would be entering here. So normally when you come in, you come down the hall, you go right to go to the first floor and the second floor, or you go left to go to D wing, which is where we're going. Now, another important thing, there is a restroom that way too as well. So as you can see, we have 6-foot signs everywhere to remind you to keep your distance. Now, if you need to go to the nurse, Nurse Pacino has moved her room down here to Miss Spates' old room. And this is what we call the sick door. So if you're not feeling well, under the weather, this is where you would come to this door. And she has another door. It's this way. We're going to go talk to her in a second. This is DJ's room, Mr. Allen. And we're going to talk to Miss Pacino while DJ comes outside. And Nurse Pacino, any words of wisdom? I told him that was your sick door on the other side.
This is the well door, D100, for students, diabetics, anyone that's not sick.
Anyone that's not sick. Very good. And this is DJ.
This is electrical technology. Teach residential, commercial, industrial. I'm DJ Allen.
All right. Thank you, Mr. DJ. Appreciate your time. And we're moving down D-Wing. D-Wing's kind of easy to pick out. Only one way down. Agri-science. The hallway. This is Mr. Renfro's room. Ms. Renfro, just stick your hand out and wave.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, just whoever you are and what you're doing.
Are you ready? You good?
Go. It's rolling.
All right.
It's live rolling. I'm
All right.
student rolling.
Good. My name is Mr. Renfro. I teach carpentry here at TCTA. I know they've told you everything on this hallway. D-Wing, when you come back to school and you're touring our school, we're touring it right now, D-Wing is the working wing. So we're hands-on in carpentry. You're gonna learn everything from basic safety of construction and how to use all the tools. And when you advance and get into your levels, you're going to learn how to build walls, floor systems, wall systems, ceiling systems from the ground up, a actual building.
Awesome.
That's
Well,
what you'll be learning in carpentry.
that was good. He did good. He's been practicing for sure. Thank you. And we're cruising on down. This is Mr. Hughes' old room. And so Mr. Hughes is in here. This is his room. This is your agri-science. That's where you do all the, if you've ever heard about us having sheep or fish or growing gardens or any of those other things, that'd be that room. This is Mr. Freeman's. Kind of knock. Maybe out back in the lab. That's Mr. Freeman. He teaches welding. So if you have any of those kind of classes, welding classes, this is where you would come. And I'll take you on the last room. And this is our automotive. I don't know if we have automotive this year, but if you did have automotive, this is where you would come. And that's that. All right, so that's D-Wing. So you've been to all the school, you've been all over the school, you've been to the first floor, you've been to the second floor, and you've now been to D-Wing. So when you do get to come to school, whenever that is, make sure you have your mask on like you're supposed to. Make sure you keep your 6 feet with everybody. And last but not least, make sure you have a good time. You know, enjoy it. This is a great school. You're gonna learn a lot if you want to. It's a good opportunity to try out a bunch of careers. And I will see you guys later.